Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
It's been a very long day, I guess. A lot of us have spent a lot of time here. We've in fact been here since last night, I would say, conducting around 430 matches. 430 odd matches. It was a risk we've taken. I don't know if it's worth it or not, but a lot of our guests have told us that you should conduct in 2 days, but we still took this risk and we conducted this in 1 day. But I think the finales were awesome, worth the wait, I would say. So before going forward, I would love to thank our sponsors. I would take their names, starting with Act Fibernet, Bharti Cements, Freedom Healthy Cooking Oil Range, DPS Nacharam, Delhi Public School Nacharam, Butterfly, ICICI Bank, Incredible India, Sleepcraft Mattresses, Oxygen Mineral Drinking Waters, Godrej Jersey, Indiana Sports, N Cold Press, Aditya Hospitals, Guru's Enterprises, Zone Ads, Babai Bhojanam Hotels, Skechers, Nexus Salad Box, Fifth Avenue Bakers, Brew Rooftop Cafe, Brew Tribe Coffee, and Ruby Papers. Without their support, we couldn't have pulled off this. A big hand to all of them, please. We'll start with the doubles category. First runner-up, Mr. T. Mohan Saina. Dharni. He also has won the second runner-up title for advanced category. Now, let me call upon the double winners Zubair Farooqi and M. Shivanand Gaud. Who's come here for the first time. Amazing game. Trophy from Indiana Sports as well.
First of all, congratulations to the entire team of Spars. They've done a wonderful job, because when I got to know about this tournament, I was actually, first of all, very surprised, because in 1 day you have conducted the maximum matches ever which I have witnessed in a long time, which is a great achievement. And apart from that, It was a wonderful experience once again because, as you all know, this is the second time I'm participating, and it was a very good experience. Very professional behavior from all the officials. Management was very cooperative, and we thoroughly enjoyed it. In fact, today I'm accompanied by my coach from LBS, Mr. Shivanand, who also participated along with me. So it was a wonderful experience, and thank you so much.
I was very surprised to see this tournament because I've seen many tournaments, but the first tournament they're giving so many prizes and good encouragement to all the players. Sir, it's really wonderful. Your hospitality was very good and awesome, sir, everything. And I congratulate all of the team in your team. Next time, I'll bring more players from my side also.
First of all, thanks to the organizers, Spars. I think conducting this tournament in very professional way, and their relentless efforts are clearly seen here. Congratulate first of all the organizers for conducting such an event without any break. I wish them all the success. We thank all of them who are supported for this.
It was a wonderful day here at Ping Pong Spas. All credit goes to the management team and of course the sponsors. Without them we could have not done such a beautiful tournament.
One last but not the least mention, the volunteers, you've done a fantastic job. All our volunteers. All our volunteers. Without you all, we couldn't have finished this in time, or at least today. Thanks a ton. Fantastic job, man. Fantastic job.